Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I just want to show you this awesome product made by Pool RX. We're going to check out this awesome product. The link will be down in the description below. So the reason why I'm showing you this is because I discovered this about a year ago. This is my second time using it. This thing really allows for you to use less chemicals in your pool and prevent those algae breakouts or blooms. So what happens is usually around the spring, the summertime, you get an algae outbreak, it gets all over the walls. Then you have to shock the pool, and then once the algae dies, you have to vacuum it up, maybe put some flocculant, and it's just a lot of work. You waste a lot of time and water. So this right here actually helps to eliminate pretty much all algae. I'm gonna show you where you can put this at, and then kind of show you the back of the label of its intended purpose and how you use it. So this pool right here is about 15,000 gallons, and this particular dosage here is made for 7.5 gallons to 20k gallons. So this is what the box looks like here. And it mainly comprises of copper sulfate. So this product is awesome because it lasts 6 months, and you can actually put it into your skimmer basket over there, or you can put it in your pool pump basket, which that's the preferred method right over there. So I took it out of the box so you can see it outside the packaging. And again, this is supposed to prevent and eliminate all algae, black, green, and mustard algae or yellow algae, and it's supposed to reduce chemical demand and simplify pool care. So if you look at the top and bottom, you can see on the side as well that there's a little cylinder in there that has all the chemicals and minerals that's supposed to prevent algae outbreaks. All you have to do really is to make sure you maintain your chlorine at low levels, around 1 parts per million, and that's pretty much it. So let me get around to the directions here, and I won't read them all. I'll just let you pause the video and read them for yourself. Try to get it in focus there for you. And then here are the chlorine and pH, alkalinity, and cyanic acid levels that they want you to have it at. So I'm gonna show you where I put mine, which is in this pool pump basket inside here. So I'm gonna unscrew this. Okay. And then the instructions say that you wanna make sure that you clear out all the debris out of here. So take out all the debris, just like so. And then you can go ahead and drop that thing right inside there. And then we're gonna close this back up. Just like so. Tighten this thing up and turn the pool pump on now. And then you can see the Pool RX is right inside there. Alright, so the bubbles are to a minimal and the pump is nice and sealed, no leakage or anything like that. And you can see the Pool RX inside there doing its thing. And basically, the water is going to flow from here, go through the pool pump, down through the basket, carry all that chemical, bring it up through the filter, and deliver it to your pool through all the jets. That's pretty much it. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.